host of the 920 here with a video review of Activators Animated Ratchet. This is my only activator. I plan to be getting more, and you will see a video review of Transformers Universe Special Edition Optimus Prime, because I'm getting him. I'm ordering him today, but as you can see, the light out because it's 6 something. I think it's 6. I'm not sure, but this is him in ambulance mode with those hinges on the sides. So he's super ambulance turbo mode. I don't know. He's a nice little ambulance. He's got super jets. Yeah. There are hinges with gears. Nothing really special. But yeah. The back, you have to bend the knees a little bit to make it fit in the stinking place. And he is an activator, so he has a special thing. Woot woot! Bang! He's in robot mode. All you gotta do now is adjust his tiny little feet. Flip out his tiny little feet. Flip out his back little tiny little feet. Flip out these hinges right here. Well, flip out his armor. They are on hinges. Flip out his arms that are on ball joints. So we have super articulation in arms. Yes, that is Activators Animated Ratchet. He has an extremely detailed face with an Arnold Schwarzenegger chin. He's pretty short, cause here is one mock. Yeah, pretty short. For an activator, all activators are short. They're a little bit taller than Legends class, I think. His backpack is now the back of the flippin' ambulance, and he has super non-super articulated legs. They only go back and forth and bend at the knee. Wee! Whoop-de-frickin-do. And if you look at him closely, these can turn into wings by flipping this back. I am Ratchet. Flappa, 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 away! Yeah. Sorry, couldn't resist. Inspired by Vangelis. Internet personality. Subscribe to him! Not that, well, yeah, pretty much. He is pretty detailed for an activator, so flick! That didn't work again, flick! That time it worked, he went under the heater. Alright, I'm gonna go and get Ratchet. This is reveiw signing off, and goodbye. Flappa, flappa, flappa.